Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Affiliate Marketing Express. Thank you for watching my video. Your time is very much appreciated. Today the title of my video is, What is Affiliate Marketing? Everything you need to know. In this dynamic era of technological advancement, it is crucial to understand the essence and potential of affiliate marketing, a powerful strategy that has disrupted the traditional marketing landscape and opened up a wealth of opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. Chapter 1. Introduction: The evolution of affiliate marketing. As we delve into the world of affiliate marketing, it is imperative to understand its origin and evolution. Affiliate marketing is not a new concept. It has roots in the late 1990s when the internet began to gain traction. It emerged as a collaborative marketing effort, where merchants rewarded individuals for promoting their products and services through their online channels. Over the years, affiliate marketing has grown exponentially due to the increasing popularity of e-commerce, social media, and influencer marketing. Today, it stands as a multi-billion-dollar industry, revolutionizing how businesses reach their target audiences and generate revenue. Chapter 2. Understanding affiliate marketing, the fundamentals. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where affiliates, also known as publishers or partners, promote products or services of merchants in exchange for a commission on every sale, lead, or action generated through their efforts. It operates on the principle of mutually beneficial relationships, aligning the interests of merchants, affiliates, and consumers. Key players in affiliate marketing. Merchants. The merchants are the sellers or creators of the products, services. They leverage affiliate marketing to expand their customer base and boost sales through the influence and reach of affiliates. Affiliates. Affiliates can be individuals, influencers, bloggers, website owners, or even entire companies. They act as the driving force behind the marketing campaigns, utilizing their platform, content, and expertise to drive traffic and conversions. Consumers. Consumers are the ultimate target audience for both the merchants and affiliates. They are the ones who make purchases or take desired actions, driving revenue and commission. Affiliate marketing models. Pay per sale, PPS. This is the most common model, where affiliates earn a commission for each successful sale made through their referral link. Pay per lead, PPL. Affiliates earn a commission when they refer potential customers who take specific actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or filling out a form. Pay per click, PPC. In this model, affiliates are compensated based on the number of clicks they generate on the merchant's website, regardless of whether a sale occurs. Chapter 3. The benefits of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has gained widespread popularity due to the myriad of benefits it offers to all parties involved. Let us explore some of the key advantages of adopting affiliate marketing in your business strategy. Cost effectiveness. Performance-based. Unlike traditional advertising where merchants pay upfront without guaranteed results, affiliate marketing is performance-based. Merchants only pay commissions when desired actions are achieved, ensuring optimal return on investment, ROI. Minimal upfront costs. Affiliates typically invest their own resources in promoting products, which significantly reduces the upfront costs for merchants. Expanding reach and targeting. Diverse affiliate networks. The diverse pool of affiliates allows merchants to reach various niche markets and demographics, expanding their reach far beyond what traditional marketing methods could achieve. Laser-focused targeting. Affiliates often have well-defined and engaged audiences, allowing merchants to target specific segments with precision. Building credibility and trust. Influencer impact. Partnering with credible influencers can enhance the merchant's reputation and build trust with consumers, as recommendations from trusted sources carry significant weight. Social proof. Positive reviews and testimonials from affiliates can establish social proof, encouraging potential customers to make purchase decisions. Chapter 4. Navigating the challenges of affiliate marketing. While affiliate marketing has shown tremendous potential, it is essential to acknowledge and address the challenges that come with this marketing model. Adherence to regulations. FTC guidelines. In the United States, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has established guidelines that require affiliates to disclose their relationship with merchants to consumers explicitly. GDPR compliance. In the European Union, affiliates and merchants must adhere to the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, to protect consumers' data and privacy. B. Competition and saturation. Oversaturation. In certain niches, affiliate marketing can become saturated, leading to fierce competition and lower commission rates. Quality over quantity. Focusing on building quality relationships with a select group of affiliates can yield better results than having numerous low-performing partners. Chapter 5. Embracing innovation, the future of affiliate marketing. As we look towards the future, it is evident that technology and innovation will continue to shape the landscape of affiliate marketing. Embracing these trends will allow businesses to stay ahead in this ever-evolving ecosystem. A. Rise of influencer marketing. Influencer partnerships. Influencers with a loyal following can act as powerful affiliates, generating significant revenue for merchants. Micro-influencers. The focus will shift towards micro-influencers, who have smaller but highly engaged audiences, allowing for more personalized and targeted marketing. B. Integration of AI and data analytics. Data-driven strategies. AI and data analytics will play a pivotal role in identifying high-performing affiliates, optimizing campaigns, and understanding consumer behavior. Predictive analytics. AI-powered algorithms will predict consumer preferences, helping merchants tailor their offerings and promotions accordingly. C. Cross-device tracking and attribution. Multi-device shopping. Consumers often use multiple devices before making a purchase. Improved cross-device tracking will provide a comprehensive view of the customer journey, ensuring proper attribution to affiliates. Incremental sales measurement. Advanced tracking methodologies will enable merchants to measure the incremental impact of affiliate marketing on overall sales. Chapter 6. Conclusion. Embracing the power of affiliate marketing. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is not just a marketing strategy. It is a fundamental shift in how businesses connect with their target audience and achieve sustainable growth. Its ability to drive cost-effective results, expand reach, and build trust with consumers makes it an indispensable tool for modern businesses. As we navigate the complexities of the digital world, embracing affiliate marketing as an integral part of our marketing mix is essential. By fostering meaningful partnerships, adhering to regulations, and staying ahead of technological advancements, we can harness the full potential of affiliate marketing and pave the way for a prosperous future. Let us, as entrepreneurs and marketers, seize this opportunity to unlock new horizons and propel our businesses to unprecedented heights through the power of affiliate marketing. Together, we can shape the future of commerce and make a positive impact on the lives of consumers worldwide. Thank you. If this information was helpful, please let me know with a short comment. If you would like to learn our #1 way to start a hyper-profitable online business without any previous experience and without showing your face on camera, use my affiliate link in the description to check out OnlineBusinessApp. OnlineBusinessApp is a revolutionary affiliate platform that offers a unique opportunity to earn your first $100,000 and beyond. And that's not all. You can sign up for a free account and try the OnlineBusinessApp for 14 days free of charge. So go ahead and use my affiliate link in the description to check out OnlineBusinessApp. You have nothing to lose. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.